Like many of us during this lockdown, I was looking for something to keep me occupied. My dad and I used to make model boats. That was a long time ago. So I thought I would have a look and see what's around these days. I wasn't looking for anything expensive. After all, this may go horribly wrong. I came across HA Kits, which strangely is Hughes Aircraft Kits, but they also make model boats. Here's a selection of the boat kits they do. Looking down the list, none of them were that expensive. I chose this one, the Offshore Racer, so let's give it a go. It came well packaged, as you can see. It's all laser cut, ready to pop out. There's these stick things, don't know what they're for. Some plasticky bits. And 3 sheets of plywood. 2 are quite thick, and then there's this very thin floppy bit. This is the hull. All the parts, as you can see, are numbered quite nicely. Time to get started. Time to start snapping the parts out. I was a bit concerned these little thin pieces on the end might snap, not that you could tell by the way I was handling it. Finally! Was the middle supposed to come out? Who knows, but here goes. I had some Gorilla Glue lying around, so I decided to use that.
I decided to sand down the knobbly bits. Yeah, I know, it's about time, and I should have done it on all the others. Never mind. Time to fit the deck. There are no actual marks to show you exactly where this is supposed to go, so at this point, I'm guessing. Seemed to me the easiest way to do this was to put the deck on the bottom, turn the rest of the boat upside down, and then glue it down. This is going to need some weight to hold it down. A couple of books should do it. His nearly famous Bob the Cat Bevan. And if you can't sleep at night, here's the competition's rule book from the Football Association. I'll leave that to dry. Must be time for a coffee. Right, back to it. Here we go. Number 7. When the structure is dry. Yeah, okay then. Time to get sanding again, I think. Lots of bits. This is the keel, which comes in 2 parts.
It says to glue the centre cabin former in place, but I couldn't find anything labelled that, only these called keel doublers, so that's what it's getting.
And I managed to glue the wrong side on this one. Oh.
Okay, I've sorted that out and now it's glued the right way round. These are all labelled B1 to B5, starting with 1 at the front and 5 at the back. Or should that be aft? Well, that's it for part 1. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.